Y'all cannot tell me I wasn't. I look cute. I can look cute with it, without it. Period. Period.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling.
Hello, you guys. It's Christina Murray back with another video. Okay, you guys. It has been. Y'all always say this at the beginning of every video. It's been a while because I know it's been a while. I need to do better. I will do better. Just give me a little bit of time to get right. But anyways, you guys, before I get into the video, sorry if I keep sniffling because I just recently had my adenoids taken out. And what else I had done? My septum of my nose. Dang. Yeah. I had my septum of my nose straight. And okay, so basically, dang, where I put it. I've been having to wear this thing over my nose. It was a lot worse. I couldn't even take it off. But I wasn't gonna wear it for the video because I feel like I can manage it pretty well without it. So this is what I've had to use, and I've been having to wear it. This right here. I'm about to put it on for y'all. Just for a second, and then I'm gonna take it off. Y'all cannot tell me I wasn't. I look cute. I can look cute with it, without it. Period. Period. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, y'all, this thing keep focusing in and out. Maybe I got it too bright. Let's tone it down just a notch. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm trying to get up close. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes, I need the skin. Okay, but yeah, y'all, this is what it looked like. But yeah, this is what I've been having to wear. Let me take it off because y'all ain't gonna be able to hear me talk. Well, see how I sound stuffy then? Boom, voice sounds. Oh, got my hair trying to eat it up. This thing still don't want to focus. Maybe I got too much light. Oops. But yeah, so basically, yeah, y'all see it dripping a little up. It's kind of nasty, but yeah, y'all, I had my adenoids taken out, and I had my septum, which is, I guess I'll insert a picture right here of what your adenoids is and septum deviation or whatever. But I had it, they had to put like these little pins in my nose or whatever, and it was so terrible. It's still healing. My nose still kind of swollen, like right here. But okay, let's get into this video. Okay, so y'all, I make wigs. Yes, I make wigs. It's called Krissy's Creations. I recently started making wigs freshman year of college. Y'all, I probably look a little babyish, but I'm a whole senior. I'm 21. I'm ready to graduate. And then after I graduate, I'm going to graduate school. But that's a whole nother video if y'all want me to get into that. I'm not getting into it now, but yeah. So basically, I started freshman year of college, and it was a little difficult. Like, I wasn't the best at making it. I had to basically keep making wigs and keep making it, and I progressed over the time. If y'all want to see some of my wigs, well, I don't have them. Yeah, I don't have them right now, but I have pictures of wigs that I made, so maybe I'll insert a couple maybe here of the wigs I made. But there's this company called Isee hair, and I have 2 clients that ordered some hair from them. So they had their hair sent here, so I was like, why not just do an unpacking or unboxing of the hair? Like, why not? I mean, I don't know if I'm able to do an update on it because it's not my hair, but I did want to do an unboxing just so y'all can see the hair. I just want to feel more in tuned with you guys. But yeah, so y'all, this is my little wig here. I haven't started on the wig. I'm about to start on it in a little bit, but you know, handy dandy, don't cap. And I like these wig heads better compared to the styrofoam ones, because y'all, when I first started making wigs, I started using styrofoam, and I actually like these better because I feel like it's more of a head. Like, my head is, I don't think, yeah, my head is not this big, but it's more of a head size, and you have so much space to sew. Yeah. Okay, so I already took the hair out the pack, and of course it's from Isee hair. Sorry, I'm trying to get some thumbnails in, like, period. Isee. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. I already opened the closure simply because what I normally do with the closure is, y'all can see it kind of, I bleach the knots simply because some people use lace tint, but I bleach the knots just so it can have that that scalp look, or that scalp, I guess, yeah, scalp look, you know. I don't know if y'all can see it pretty well, but yeah, you see how it's kind of like, ooh. Dang, can't get it to act right. See how it kind of like blends in, you know? But yeah, let me comb this thing out because it look a little, oof. Jesus Christ, that's it. I couldn't get it to comb because I just had it thrown in the bag. But yeah, y'all, this is the body wave closure. I believe this closure is 18 inch. 18, yeah, 18 inch. 18 inch closure. The hair is really soft. It's body wave, and I'll put a link in the description box down below for the hair if y'all want it. Like, I've ordered from Isee before. It's actually a good company. The only problem I had with them is that I felt like their closures and their frontals balded quickly, but I don't know, maybe I was just wearing the wig too much, so don't hold that against me. Okay, what my client got was an 18 inch closure. And what else? 3 18-inch bundles. Y'all want some bundles. Y'all see me trying to rock my little puff. I ain't gonna show y'all what's under it because I haven't done my hair in maybe a couple days. Well, I lie. No, I ain't lying. Yeah, my freaking nose trying to drip. I'm sorry. I just honestly do not want to wear that thing on this video. I think it's only dripping because I have my fan on. I'm a little, y'all probably saying, well, just take off the hoodie, but I don't want to take off this hoodie because it's just nice. But yeah, this is their Brazilian body wave freaking bundle. Freaking bundle. Get that off, but yep, the hair is really soft. Y'all already know I'm finna do a strand test. Let's see if we get any strands, and we did not, and we didn't. The hair just smells like hair. You don't have no, oh wait, hold on. Yeah, it smells like hair. I was about to say I smell a little chemical, a little chem, but no. And basically, you know, their little logo. Come on, focus, please, focus. Oh, there we go. Dang, y'all don't wanna. Okay, Isee. You know they got that. Thank you, thank you for purchasing. And care instructions, yes ma'am. But yeah, y'all, let me, cause my phone acting up, and I don't appreciate it. Like, what you doing? What you doing? But yeah, it's freaking. It's nice here. I'm trying to figure out if I should open all of them, cause I don't know. I guess we can open all of them. Why not, people? Why not? I just like to keep running my fingers through it because I want to see if I want to get a strand, but stay here. Yes, honey, yes. Nice hair. Listen. If you guys are still watching this, please, if y'all still watching this video, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Please, like, why not? You made it this far. Lord have mercy. Oh, the ghetto. You made it this far, so why not? Cause my K baby's lit. My K baby's lit, and we lit. We really lit. And why we lit? Cause we really liked it. Like, we really liked it. Plus, I wanna, yeah. I want y'all to get me to. I really want y'all to get me to at least 500 subscribers. I want y'all to get me to 500 subscribers. I really do. Like, can we really do it? Can we? Like, can we? But anyways, let me fucking strands. I feel like it's one strand I see that look like it's just ready to be released. Let me see. Yup, I was right. We got one. I don't know if y'all can see that. We got one strand. Okay, 2 strands. But honestly, let's be realistic here. Like, I understand a lot of people say, oh, I don't want my hair to shed. It's a difference between, like, okay, a shed every now and then excessively shedding. If your hair is excessively shedding, baby, no. We need to contact the vendor, the company, something. Because if it's balding or your bundle's getting stupid thin, then something not right. Something's not right. Especially if you're paying a lot of money on hair. No, like, we're not doing that. I remember I'm not going to state the company's name, but I had an issue with this company. Like, I had some curly hair. And y'all know, like, I said I like big hair. Like, I like curly hair. Like, body wave is, I used to like body wave, but I don't know. I just like hair that I can get a spray bottle, you know, squirt, spray it a little bit. But I'll wear body wave. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, I had an issue with this company, and the hair was just shedding so freaking much. Like, and then I could comb it or, you know, try to detangle it, and the brush would get stuck. And I'm just like, this is not what I paid for, or whatever. And the company wasn't cooperating with me. They was like, it's too late, yada yada yada. But me personally, if I guess they thought I was trying to jip them or whatever, but that's not my character. I just feel like everyone should get what they pay for. Like, I'm not the type of person that's gonna sit here and lie to y'all about hair. I'm not gonna, you know, why would I lie? I'm not gonna lie about that, because y'all have to spend y'all's money. And I know I'm one of these people that I go in here looking at, you know, reviews and stuff before I order hair, because I don't want to make the wrong decision. I do not play with my hair at all. No, like, no. I do not play when it comes to my hair. I'm very careful of where or who I order hair from, because you know, maybe Jippy's other people, but you're not going to meet Jippy, Christina Marie, or my K babies, because I will let y'all know, no, we're not doing that, especially not in 2020. No. But yeah, I'm not gonna open the other page. Y'all basically got a summary of Isee. Oh, that's a thumbnail right there. Isee, but y'all, yeah. But I think that's going to be it for this video, you guys. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and I love you guys so much. I love you, K-Babies. Stay lifted, stay encouraged, and be blessed always. Bye, guys.
Load up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes when I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my